Create filters to sort your SMS campaigns. This is how you do it. Go to the Reports section and click Create Report button. Select a preset or template if it's available for you. Configure common settings such as name report, sending period, and date range. Set detailed filters like source, campaign ID, senders, delivery %, etc. Adjust group and fields data settings. These options will help you work with the data more conveniently and efficiently. After configuring all settings, you can clear them to start over or save them for future reports. Click Apply to proceed with report generation. With the settings applied, the platform will generate the report. You can find the finished report by clicking on the Ready Reports button.